So this is a study for different methods of treating stiltgrass that we're doing with the Environmental Management and Monitoring Alliance partnership group, which is a bunch of different research and land conservation organizations throughout the Hudson Valley. Coming across, we will have 8 different treatment types that are going to be tested at the first of every month over 4 months. So starting May, June, July, August, and then the entire plot will be assessed in September. The idea is to identify which of these non-herbicide, non-regulated chemical methods are useful for treating stiltgrass, which is an annual non-native invasive plant that we have quite a bit of out here. So the outcome of this, at least is hoped, is to be able to say a 30-second burn in the beginning of June might result in that being the best treatment. So we would be able to then map out the area we need treated and know the timing so that our management efforts are the most effective. And this will probably come out as a white paper through the EMA group that we would inform all of our environmental and land manager colleagues throughout the region.
So what you're doing here could have an impact across the whole region.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it is. And we're not the only site doing this. The Mianus River Gorge down outside New York City is doing it. I believe Teatown Reservation, Vassar, maybe Black Rock. I forget all the other groups, but there are a number that are doing this. It suffocates out all of the native vegetation. It's a very pernicious grower. It covers this whole area in thatch. Having this kind of monoculture of species reduces the amount of other flowering and native plants that are able to grow here, and without those flowering and native plants there are fewer native invertebrates and then fewer vertebrates that eat those. So there's this cascade of effects in the food web. I think one of the best examples that was shared to me is having invasives like stiltgrass in an area is like having a community that only has McDonald's, and that McDonald's is only open for one weekend in the middle of the summer, and that's it. So within this context, we have some other invasives that if we determine an effective method and timing for dealing with stiltgrass, we might be able to come up with a more comprehensive management plan to deal with wineberry, barberry, buckthorn. That's actually most of it out here. Some bittersweet. And hopefully try to return this to a more native ecosystem. And as we know, and has been proven through scientific literature, native ecosystems are more resilient to the effects of climate change.
Thanks, Doug.
Happy to help.